I'm able to manage the fleet without having to physically be out there with each one of the machines 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, anywhere in the world. Well, here at Duininck, we're a heavy civil contractor, primarily work in west central Minnesota. We run about 400 units. VisionLink is the biggest reason we have a successful preventative maintenance program, because we get accurate information in regards to utilization, location, and machine health. Engines overheating, torque converters overheating, parking brakes being applied when the machine is still rolling, seat belts not being worn. There's a lot of things that system provides us that helps us not only stay in front of failure, but to maintain a safe work environment also. The platform for the system is so much more user-friendly. It's web-based. You can access it through multiple different devices, whether it's an iPad, a laptop, a smartphone, and most of all, you can do it from wherever you have an internet connection. That's the most important thing, to be able to remotely monitor what your equipment's doing. They built the platform off of what we as customers gave them feedback on. Continuous improvement is one of our core values, and VisionLink and Ziegler and Caterpillar have helped us maintain that core value of continuous improvement through the tools they provided us.